As a new small business owner and as a contractor, it's imperative for me to understand the importance of contracts. When I work with a new client, I send them a standard freelancing agreement and we work on negotiating the terms of it until we're both happy. But then we both sign a document that says this is how we're going to work moving forward. In the apparel space, the contract that you have with your factory is your tech pack. The sketch that you include, your bill of materials and all of its costs, all of the yields, all of the quantities that you want to include in that garment, the measurements that you're accepting, the tolerances of those measurements that you're allowing the factory to hit. All of that goes into the quality that you expect to see in production, and it becomes your contract with the factory. Without these key pieces and without that contract, you could end up receiving production units that aren't quite right, and then you have no way of proving that they were wrong. I've seen way too many clients in the past couple of years proceed without a tech pack, and when they receive their production units and they're not right, they have no way of pushing back on the factory. So, how would you push back on a factory if you did have a secure contract? If you have measurements and tolerances and a solid bill of materials in your tech pack that serves as your contract, you can request that the factory either give you a discount on what they didn't get correct, repair what they didn't get correct, or give you a full refund. Imagine if you had all of these units that were defective or incorrect or didn't fit right or didn't have the right fabrics or trims on them, and you couldn't do anything about it. You had to accept them and figure out how to sell them. On the flip side, if you have this contract in place and you know what you're doing with your tech pack, you all of a sudden have so many more resources at your fingertips. Don't allow yourself to proceed without that secure tech pack with your factory. If you need help building one, please contact us. Unmarked Street are experts at building the best tech packs around.